And a big breaking news of the hour, a major tragedy has unfolded in Mathura district this morning after dense fog triggered a chain collision involving multiple vehicles, leading to a massive fire. We've been given to understand that at least 4 people have been confirmed dead as of now. Other passengers were also rushed to the hospital. Officials are saying that the casualty count may unfortunately rise as the victims remain in a critical condition at the moment. This is at milestone 127 on Mathura Highway, known as the Yamuna Expressway. These are the visuals also coming in straight from the spot. A massive blaze over there. The accident occurred near the milestone 127 in the Baldev police station area of Mathura. And due to extremely poor visibility, 7 buses and 3 cars collided one after another, causing all the vehicles to catch fire within minutes. The buses were travelling from Ayodhya to Delhi when the accident took place at around 4 in the morning. Fire and police teams rushed to the spot and launched rescue operations as flames engulfed the vehicles, many of which were also fully occupied. Police have said that a detailed assessment is currently underway in the matter and an official statement on the casualties is also awaited. But as per the latest update from the official, we've been given to understand that the casualty count may rise further because of the conditions of those who have been hospitalized. They continue to remain in a critical condition at the moment. An unfortunate incident reported in the wee hours of this morning.
आज सुबह लगभग 4:30 बजे के करीब विजिबिलिटी लो होने के कारण आप जैसा देख सकते हैं अभी भी यहाँ गहरा कोहरा है। इसके चलते लगभग 7 बसेस और 3 छोटी गाड़ियाँ आपस में टकरा गई। इस एक्सीडेंट के दौरान उनमें जो गाड़ियाँ थी उनमें आग लग गई। यहाँ सूचना प्राप्त होने पर तत्काल हमारी टीमें फायर सर्विस की, सिविल पुलिस की और लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की सभी यहाँ पे उपस्थित हुई। अब तक की जानकारी के अनुसार इस पूरे सर्च एंड रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन ये लगभग कंप्लीशन पे है।
यहाँ पे एक्सीडेंट हो गई है, लगभग 3-4 गाड़ियाँ जली हैं बस।
आपको कैसे पता लगा?
मैं तो यहीं पे हूँ, मैं तो प्रेजेंट टाइम में यहीं पे हूँ।
गाड़ी में जब आग लगी थी
मैं उस समय एक्सीडेंट हुआ था जब उस गाड़ी में था, बैठा था मैं।
कितने लोग थे?
बस में तो पूरा फुल सीट था, जितना सीट होती सब फुल। 4 बजे के आसपास हुई।
तो आपको कैसे पता लगा? सो रहे थे, जग रहे थे?
मैं सो रहा था।
So this is the incident which has been reported on the Yamuna Expressway at about 4 a.m. in the morning, involving multiple cars, multiple vehicles, hitting each other one after another and also catching fire. A major tragedy unfolded in Mathura district this morning after dense fog triggered a chain collision involving multiple vehicles. Back to the national capital. Let's try to understand the situation here as far as the toxicity in the air is concerned. It's been a toxic haze of smog across Delhi-NCR as the city's air quality index improved only marginally today after the city's AQI reached to dangerous levels across several monitoring stations yesterday. Anand Vihar and Ashok Vihar reported AQI levels of 421, while Wazirpur touched to 439. Other areas also recorded alarmingly high figures. ITU at 404, Jahangirpuri at 435, Okla Phase 2 at 403, City Fort at 410, JLN Stadium at 388 and Rohini standing at 355. Air quality in most of the areas across Delhi-NCR now continue to remain in the severe level category. NCR cities also recorded severe pollution with Noida Sector 125 standing at 414, whereas according to the official data, the overall AQI of Delhi stands at an average of 384. Grab for curbs are currently under enforce, with authorities urging residents to limit their outdoor activities as pollution reaches dangerous levels. In response, Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav chaired a high-level review of the air quality action plans for Delhi-NCR. He stressed strict on-ground implementation, zero tolerance for non-compliance, and highlighted the importance of Jan Bhagidari or public participation in fighting pollution. Officials discussed measures including smart traffic management, industrial compliance, expansion of public transport, greening initiatives, and waste management improvements. The minister also directed strict adherence to deadlines for installing continuous emission monitoring systems and called for coordinated action across agencies to ensure the plans are effective. In an incident that caused major embarrassment to the Rekha Gupta-led Delhi administration, a section of the crowd jeered with chants of AQI, AQI as the chief minister reached the podium near Argentina football icon Lionel Messi in the national capital yesterday. Spectators were heard shouting AQI as the chief minister walked into the Arun Jaitley Stadium and made her way to the podium. This also comes as Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav chaired a high-level review of the action plans of Ghaziabad and Noida to curb air pollution, directing strict action against industrial units that fail to install online emission monitoring systems by December 31st's deadline. Now, what was once a domestic concern has now turned into a global alarm, with several foreign missions issuing health advisories as pollution levels worsen here in the national capital. Foreign countries are now warning their citizens about Delhi's toxic air, advising caution before traveling to the Indian capital. The Singapore High Commission in Delhi has issued a strict advisory saying air quality in the region is severely polluted. It has warned children, the elderly and those with respiratory or heart conditions to take extra precautions. Citizens have been advised to avoid outdoor activities, wear masks, follow local authorities' guidelines and to be prepared for possible flight disruptions due to low visibility. Singapore is not alone though. The United Kingdom and Canada have also flagged some serious concerns. The UK has warned that winter pollution levels in Delhi and parts of North India can reach extremely hazardous levels, posing major health risks. Canada, meanwhile, has advised its citizens travelling to Delhi to closely monitor air quality and limit their time spent outdoors. In a symbolic protest against Delhi's worsening air pollution, TDP MP Appala Naidu Kalisetti rode his bicycle to Parliament wearing a mask to highlight the health hazards. The MP said the move was aimed at promoting a pollution-free Delhi and raising public awareness about the crisis.
Delhi pollution very problem, public and so suffering. My motivation, free pollution in Delhi. Please awareness program every day.
As the city continues to struggle under hazardous air, Congress MP Manickam Tagore moved an adjournment motion in the lower house of the parliament, urging parliament to declare air pollution in Delhi-NCR a national public health emergency. Both Priya Vadra and Manickam Tagore cited repeated lapses in controlling air pollution in the national capitals and nearby areas.
It is very unfortunate that the BJP, particularly Nadda-like people, are trying to divert the attention of the real problem of the people of India. Air pollution is a severe issue. Vote Chode, Gandhi Chode rally is a huge response and huge success has rattled JP Nadda like people. They are indulging in disturbing the parliament functioning. We are in parliament and parliamentary affairs minister has become unparliamentary affairs minister. Kiran Rijiju is leading the campaign, leading the action to stop the parliament functioning. These kind of things is unheard of it. The opposition wants parliament to function. The ruling government don't want the parliament to function.
Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju said the government is ready to discuss the matter in a structured manner, signalling potential action on the worsening air quality to be out very soon. It's time for a quick look at the air that you are breathing across India. The AQI map is showing quite a mix for today. Starting in the northwest, Jaipur wakes up to an AQI of 205, falling in the poor category, high enough to feel a haze in the air. Then comes Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior records an AQI of 206, while Bhopal reports an AQI of 229, also in the poor category. Then let's take you down south to Mangaluru, which is holding the fort steady at 124, remaining in the moderate category. Further south, in Kerala's capital Thiruvananthapuram, reports are suggesting an AQI of 157, also in the moderate range. Then in the northeast, let's go to Guwahati, that records an AQI of 165, which falls in the moderate category. Shifting eastwards, Bhubaneswar faces tougher conditions today with an AQI of 216, again in the poor category, limiting residents' outdoor activities. Let's move up west. Ahmedabad standing at 120 and Mumbai standing at 107, both registering moderate air quality, not ideal, but still manageable for the residents. Hubballi in Karnataka, however, fares better with an AQI of 59, placing it in the satisfactory bracket. And finally, in Punjab's Amritsar, the AQI stands at 70, also in the satisfactory category.